All right, Jason, we're going to go ahead and get started with your swim video analysis. Just a quick reminder, the things that we're going to be focusing on, excuse me, are body position, your stroke timing, also your kick. And there's something I noticed in the video with what your right arm is doing underneath the water that I didn't catch in person, but I'm glad I caught it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. But first, let's look at you from the side. I'm going to slow down here. Actually, I'm going to stop it and just point out your body position right here. So look at this right here as we slow it down. You can see that your head's on top of the water, but from the waist down, you're just dragging that anchor. So when I talk about body position, you can see that you're diagonal in the water, which is what we need to correct by pushing your chest down, your head down, engaging your core so that your waist or your butt rises to the very top of the water. Again, the main purpose for the video analysis is to decrease drag and increase propulsion. So we slowed down right here. Let's move on to timing of your stroke. Right arm enters. You already start your catch. You're way into your catch before your left hand enters. So if you remember the catch-up drill, we want to even out your timing so that you don't look like a windmill. Rather that you keep that arm out there at the beginning of your catch phase before the other arm enters into the water. You're just kind of swinging your arms back and forth. We want to correct that. The good thing about the view from on top here is we're going to see two things. Number one, your core. You can see you're a little flaccid in the middle, which is super common. This is where I'm talking about engaging your core with some of the drills that I've already given you. I'm going to slow down here, and I just want to show you something with your body position or with your head position. When you come up to breathe, I can see both goggles. You're lifting your head way out of the water. Let's see if you do it again right here. Right arm comes in, head comes up, and your head is tilted way out of the water. Keep in mind that as soon as you do that, mixed in with your stroke timing not being off, your hips and legs will automatically sink. Okay, and so that's something that you just got to be aware of. Now, from the view from the front, we're going to catch something here with what your right arm is doing during deep into your pull phase. I'm going to slow it down here. Left arm right here. Good early vertical form catch. Right arm comes in, and look how far over it swings, almost to the opposite side of your hip. So if you think about a 1.2 mile swim, it's going to be hard to stay on course, and you're doing a lot of pressure to your shoulder when you're crossing over that much. So overall, great job. As we kind of go back to, I want to look at that early vertical forearm catch right there. That's a good point that I wanted to bring up. That is something to celebrate. A lot of swimmers don't have a strong early vertical forearm catch, but you do. We just need to make sure that when your right arm is in the pull phase, you're not swinging it all the way over to your opposite hip. It'll be easier to swim in a straight line. Again, body position is going to be huge. You can see even with your kick, you kind of start your kick with your knees, not really driving your thighs, your glutes, using your entire leg. So again, part of the drills will include just being mindful of using your entire leg during your kick. So the objectives: improve body position. I've already given your drills for that. Improve stroke timing with the catch-up drill. Improve kick by using your entire legs. And then being aware of that right hand crossover. So these are going to be the biggest things to focus on. Number one, obviously, is going to be body position. That's slowing you down by far the most. Overall, great job. Loving your early vertical forearm catch. You're a strong swimmer. We just need to make you stronger. Overall, fantastic job.